Well, the goats are helping us out when we have those drought conditions, which are not going to get much better when we're talking about more heat. We have 101 for our high today, 102 for our high Sunday. We could see a little stray rain chance today, but it's mostly going to be hot sun. The only reason I think we could see maybe a sprinkle or two still is we still have that strong south flow leading up to storms up to the north. And then there's an interesting feature over here. It's popping up some rain in northern Mexico, but if we look on water vapor, you can see it a lot better. This shows the upper levels of the atmosphere. There's a spin happening just south of Del Rio. This is low pressure, and because that's still in our area, I think we'll have a little bit of lift in the afternoon. But this will not be as high of coverage shower-wise as we saw yesterday. We'll really see maybe a stray shower or two. Some sprinkles on the windshield through the late afternoon, early evening, and most of us will not see much at all. But hill country, I think you could hang on to some clouds until that swirls out of here, and then no rain chances on Sunday. We do see a little bit of a change in the winds. We've had a very strong south flow. Those gusts have been up to 25 miles per hour at times. That will die down into the start of the work week. We get a little bit more of a westerly component. And when we combine that with a big plume of Saharan dust that has moved into the region today, we'll see a little bit of a break in it tomorrow, but more coming in for the work week. We're going to get a little drop in the dew points. We have not as strong of a flow straight off the Gulf from those winds dying down, and then the drier air from Saharan dust mixes through the afternoon into the lower levels, and that will help to drop the humidity. So we'll be down in the humid category many afternoons through the early parts of the week. We've been sitting in oppressive, so we still get there in the morning, but when we get that daytime mixing, we'll drop the dew points a little bit. And what that will help with is the heat index. Our highs will be in the triple digits all week long, but our feels like temperatures will be only a degree or two above the actual high temperature. The reason we hold on to the triple digits is that high pressure. We've been talking about this heat dome that's built over us. It continues to stay over us until we see maybe a shifting of that to the west by next weekend. That could allow for some rain chances to return, but through the extended forecast right now, I'm not putting any rain chances. This is a view from our Kreitz Market camera in Lockhart. We do have those low clouds that have developed this morning. Our temperature 80 degrees in Austin to start. It's pretty warm out the door. We're seeing mid to upper 70s elsewhere. The heat index already at 85 degrees. So keep in mind it is going to be hotter than our actual air temperature, but only by a couple degrees, especially through this week as we get those little dips in the humidity values due to that drier air coming in. Small rain chance today. I think most of us don't see much at all. It'll just be a little stray shower for a lucky few.